We thought that this was a needless escalation of this matter. Why would it be that every visitor to the state must be presented with a Wike problem when Wike is in Abuja and performing as the best minister, even in the current government, just as he performed as the best governor in the entire country? That's our own son that we should honor. But we are the first to denigrate and pull him down. And it was so needless because there was no correlation between the visit and Wike, nor the visit and the march by people who feel that Rivers State must de-escalate and seek peace. People can march for peace. It's a good thing. At a time when people are chanting war songs, the people who seek peace now become the issue. And the whole talk about the state of emergency. You see, the office of governor is a creation of law. And that office must be conducted with the rule of law in focus. When that office veers from the rule of law, it invites anarchy. If a governor covets his seat and intends to keep it, his best bet is to stay within the law so that the citizens of that state will continue to abide by the law. But if the governor himself chooses to flout the law, then he confuses his people. And then he calls them to anarchy. He calls them to self-help. He calls them to march for their own survival. We want to tell the governor that the way to keep his tenure, the way to keep his office, which we pray he should be able to do, is for him to stay within the law. Even when you make mistakes, acknowledge your mistakes, go back, correct them, and do the needful. Whatever there is to do, our laws are there to guide us. The constitution is very clear. It abolishes the caretaker you try to create. The River State law, 2018-2023 as amended, abhors the use of a caretaker committee. Everybody knows.
If a governor says the main aim of the march was to bomb Presidential Hotel where he housed the members of Senate Committee on Privatization and Commercialization, how do anybody know that he housed his guests at Presidential Hotel? It's the governor and the Commissioner for Health, the police detectives and other security agencies. Commissioner for Health addressed a press conference to say that an explosion has taken place and instructed that all health establishments in Rivers State should watch out. In less than 1 hour, only them have arrested someone. In less than 1 hour, they have cordoned in everywhere. They would allow Nigerian police force and other security agencies to do their work. The Rivers people are tired of this drama. In the same manner, when the governor heard about his impeachment in the State House of Assembly, of course, he orchestrated the bombing of the assembly and promised Rivers people that he was going to set up an investigative team to fish out the culprits. From October 2019 date, we have not heard anything about it.